go and get Montgomery. Where is he going, Montgomery?
We got him back.
Where did he go?
I know. He went to the rugby.
He went a long way away.
I go to the rugby.
How are you? Come away from the water, Jenna Montgomery. Jenny? Where's he off to? Oh my goodness. What's Annabelle doing? What are you doing, Monty? Look, Annabelle's coming. Hey! Right, come on everybody. Back to the car. It's very yucky. Come on, back to the car. Harry looks very yucky now. Come on. Are you sitting down on the job, Genevieve? What are you doing, you Nelly Nuts cases? What are you up to? Oh, he's trying to do that stick, you horror. Away from the water. Last thing we want to do is to lose you. Come on. Right, back to the car, people. We've got Liesl coming soon. Come on, Annabelle, away from the water. Mont! Come on, Monty. Albert, come this way, please.